Today, here's a couple of pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, from the area south of Opalton, main side area. Rules in millimetres, materials wetted, and the white just seeing there's a reflection of the lights. We'll just go a bit closer. Okay, I've gone a bit closer there. Basically this one's little pockets of colour there, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wherever they go underneath this brown potch is hard to tell, but I don't think so. Material's quite hard, so it'll polish up nice. Second piece, more broader face of opal, picture stone. Again, the stone around the outside's quite hard, so it'll polish up quite nicely. I've cut it down so it's cheaper to post. That might be worth, a little colour bar there might be worth chasing. It might go over the top. Hard to tell from where it is there though. Still a nice specimen. I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.